Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So today's question is about spam email, and what are your do's and don'ts about that? All right, let's take it back for a second and talk about just the basics of spam email. Don't send it. And for those of you who are our entrepreneurs, when you meet somebody, don't just add them to your email list unless you've asked them if they can. For anybody who's ever asked me, I've said, yeah, sure, add me to your email list. I'll give you an email or two to prove that you're worth my while to read your stuff. If you just add me, we met once, or hey, maybe even worse, I went to one of your events and we never shook hands, we never exchanged words, and next thing I know, I'm on your list. Ugh, that's just super lame. Don't do that to people. It just makes you kind of look like a jerk and that you don't respect people. So there's rule number one. Not a legal rule, but just good business etiquette. But what's the actual law about sending spam email or email that people might think is spam? There is actually a federal law called the CAN-SPAM Act. So it basically prohibits sending unsolicited, unwanted spammy emails. And if you are sending potential spammy advertising emails, the rules are pretty simple. You can't have a deceptive header. You can't have a deceptive subject line. You have to disclose that your email is an advertisement. You have to provide your physical address, and you have to make it clear and easy for people on the list to unsubscribe. So it has to be easy to recognize and understand how to get off your email list. For most people, that means that there's like a little link at the bottom that says unsubscribe, and you just click the button and bing, bang, boom, you're off. It's annoying when I have the unsubscribe buttons that take you to a page where you have to put in your email. It's like, you know what my email is. You put it in. You're probably the one who added it to your email list without my consent. So why should I have to tell you again who I am? But whatever. So those are the basic rules. If you are sending potential spam, bad idea. The most common mistakes I see people making are people who just have an email list that's not through a site like MailChimp or one of those other email services where they have it built in, like the unsubscribe option and the place for you to input your address. People are just somewhat controlling their own list and blasting people with their spammy advertisements. And so there's not an easy way to unsubscribe. And so if you are ever receiving those emails and either it's not working to tell the person to quit sending you stuff, or you don't really care and you just want to lay the smack down hard and fast, you can report them to the Federal Trade Commission by forwarding the email to spam@uce.gov. I recently actually turned somebody in who sent me 7 emails in the last couple of weeks, so they're annoying and screw them. So that is one way you can deal with them. And just so you know, the worst case scenario for someone who is sending spam emails is a $16,000 fine per email. So yeah, how much money do you have in your rainy day fund? Is it 16 grand times, however many dozens of people you're sending your spammy email to? So anyway, that's how spam email works in the legal system. So if you are getting spammy email, feel free to turn them into the FTC. Part of me, giggles on the inside every time I turn someone in. So, if you don't know how to follow the rules, you deserve to get caught and get in trouble. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful for you. If you want to ask me a question about this topic, feel free to leave a comment below, or my contact information is below. Please subscribe to the channel. I try to put out useful information for you guys every week. And with that, I will catch up with you later. Take care.